Hello guys, welcome to Data Warriors channel. In this session, we are going to learn about uh, DQL command. So we have select command in a available in a DQL. So select command. So what select command does? Select statement is used to select or retrieve the data from a database table. Means in a database we are storing data in form of like relational tables. So whenever we want to read that data, so we are going to use a select statement. So what is syntax of using select statement? This is the syntax: select star from table name. So what it does mean, select is used to read the data, then the star symbol, asterisk for the means we want to read the data from all columns. Okay, and then from this table, which from which table we want to read, this is the table name we are going to provide. And then another situation we have where reading a specific column data from a database table. So we now in this situation we don't want to, whenever we don't want to read all columns data from a database table, then we are going to use this. So this is the syntax: select is used to retrieve data, then column name 1, column name 2, column name 3, and then so on. Means number of columns we will add their names separated by commas, which we want to, from which we want to read the data from that database table. So this way we are going to do, and then we will see now practically how we can read the data from our database tables. So first thing we are going to see is this is the questions which I have written for the hands-on practice. So read all records from a customer name table. So we are going to read that. Select, we will write to read the data, retrieve the data, star for all columns. Then from we want to read data from a customers table. So select star from customers. Then semicolon we will provide. And let me run that. Okay. Now after running this, we got the customer tables having total records available 91, and these are the fields: customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, and country. And total 91 records we got as part of our result. Okay, so next question we will see: read only country column data from a customer table. Okay, so now earlier we read all columns data. So in the second situation we don't want to see all columns data, we want only the country column data from customers table. How we are going to do? Select country, column name we will provide, and then from table customers. Okay, this way we got only one column now as per our requirement. These are the countries available in the customer tables. Then next question we will see: read customer ID, customer name, country, columns data from customer table. So now before this we read only one column, Then now in this situation we have to read three columns data: customer ID, customer name, and country from the customers table. So how we will do that? First we will select all columns from the customers table. Hmm. Okay. So now we have to read a customer ID, customer name, and then country data. So select we will write, and then we will give the column name separated by comma. So first customer ID, then customer name we want, then country. Now table we have to provide from which table this column data we want. Customers. Select customer ID, customer name, and then country. Okay. So this is the result. Now we are able to see these three columns data which we wanted to see: customer ID, customer name, and country. Total 91 records. So this way select command works. Thank you guys. We will see you in the next session.